Hello everyone. Here I am to show you a quick healthy breakfast option. Avocado toast in air fryer in 2 ways. It's much delicious, even kids will enjoy thoroughly. Air frying the breads makes a big difference. Gives an amazing crispy texture. Melts in mouth with avocado mix. As you know, avocados are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats and fiber. It's really good to add in your diet. Let's get started. So for this recipe you need ripened avocado. It will be black in color plus softer. It's easy to mash and tastes yummy. First slice avocado into half. Half avocado is enough for one serving. Separate the shell. Mash the avocado with spoon or fork. As you see, mashing ripened avocado is so easy. Add finely chopped chili, or you can add half a teaspoon chili sauce, finely chopped onion, quarter teaspoon salt. You can add little lemon juice. It's optional. Mix all together well. This quantity is good enough for 2 breads. Avocado spread is ready. You can just eat this as a salad without breads too. Tastes amazing. Let's see the 2 ways of toasting in air fryer. First way is without toasting avocado in air fryer. Choose high protein low calorie bread. I like this honey wheat bread. Each slice with 3 grams of protein and 70 calories. Place 2 breads on air fryer tray. Keep tray in middle row of the air fryer. Air fry at 340 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. By default it preheats for 3 minutes. For 3 to 4 breads you can use the same settings. Flip halfway. So breads will be toasted well in total 4 minutes. You can start toasting breads in air fryer and prepare the avocado mix in parallel. As you see, breads are crispy on outside. Now spread the avocado mix. You can eat half avocado with 2 breads or 1 bread for breakfast. Makes it a perfect option. Enjoy this simple and amazing breakfast with your family. Here is my super useful time saver tip for busy mornings. You can also use higher temperatures like 350 or 360 Fahrenheit. Breads will be toasted while preheating for 3.5 minutes itself. So take out the breads when display shows add food. It's useful if you are in a hurry to use air fryer for other food. Use this preheating time for breads, then continue with other food. 2 dishes at one go. If you have basket model air fryer, check my video from the description. Let's see the second way. Take 2 breads. Spread the avocado mix. Fold into half. Place breads on air fryer tray. Use the same settings in air fryer. Air fry at 340 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. Flip halfway. Both ways it tastes the same. Go for first way if you want to eat avocado as it is without air frying. As you see, avocado bread toast will be crispy from outside and soft from inside. Hope you enjoy my tips and recipe. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.